So if you're anything like me and you really love eating macaroons but don't necessarily know how to make them, this book is perfect. It's got 60 different flavors that you can mix and mash and really makes it super easy to be able to make French macaroons, especially if you're just a beginner. Here's a quick peek at the table of contents. One thing that I really love is the intro. Not only do you get a brief history of macaroons, but you also get a nice breakdown of the equipment that's needed, all the ingredients, of course, and then some really nice tips on techniques to make sure that your macaroons always turn out perfectly. With over 60 different types of macaroons that you can make in here, you're sure to find one or two or 10 that you really love. I know there's about 20 in here that I'd like to try out. Another really nice feature of this book is that should you go wrong at some point during the process of making these macaroons, you also get this nice little troubleshooting chapter so that you can kind of figure out what could have possibly happened to make your macaroons go wrong. All in all, I'd highly recommend this French Macaroons for Beginners book if you love eating macaroons but want to learn how to make them too.